It's not gonna be that loud, it's not gonna
Alright, we're just gonna make it loud, huh?
Hola, clase.
Hola,
señor. Now we're gonna do this half of the clock. So if you were to look at a watch that had a long hand and the short hand, right? Here it is. Short hand is on the 8. Long hand is, I'm trying to put it right, on the 11. Okay? You got it?
Boom.
Sí.
see.
You get the angles right.
Okay, here's the rule. We round up to the next hour. Okay, Christian, what is the next hour going to be?
9.
It's going to be 9 o'clock. And we subtract the minute remaining. Okay? 5 minutes remains, right?
Sí.
Do we see that?
Yeah.
So in Spanish, when we minus, we say menos.
Menos.
When we subtract, the word in Spanish, right, is menos when it comes to the time. Specifically when it comes to the time. So, okay, are we gonna say for any number not related to the one, es la or son las?
Son las.
Son las. Okay, we round up to the next hour. Christian, what is it in Espanol?
9.
Son las 9. Menos. We subtract 5 minutes. What is 5?
5.
Son las 9 menos 5. And in your mind, you're going to know it's 8:55. Son las 9 menos 5. You got it? Yes?
Sí.
All right. Let's look at some of these examples on the board. 9:45. Get out a sheet of paper where you took down notes. Okay. Some of you are already ready. Perfecto. What you have to write the numbers in Spanish. You have to write the word menos and the minutes in Spanish. You have to write the hour, menos, and minutes in Spanish. Right? Don't forget the son las. Right? So I'm going to give you the very first one. Right? In Spanish, 9:45, son las 10. Son las 10. We round up to the next hour. And we're going to subtract how many minutes until 10 o'clock?
15.
Son las 10 menos 15. Right? So, it's 9:45 p.m. Jordan.
Son las 10 menos 15. PM. Oh. En la tarde.
No, 9:45 p.m. at night.
En la noche.
Sí, en la noche. We got that? Okay, so I gave you this one. Son las 10 menos 15. Right? Now you guys do 11:50. Do 11:50. It's 10 minutes till 12, right? 10 minutes till 12?
Yes.
Is it in morning or night?
Okay, do it on a piece of paper. I need you to write it down.
This is at night, right?
No, we'll get there.
Sweet.
It could be 10, it could be 11:50 right before lunchtime. Right? But wait till I call on you. If I call on you, or wait till I say PM or AM. Right now, let's just do the time.
We did 11:50, right?
That's 11:50. You got it?
No.
Okay. Oh, that's right. You gotta spell everything. When you have it, raise your hand so I can call on you.
For 11:50?
Yes.
Son las 12 menos 10.
Perfecto. Son las 12 menos 10. Round up to the next hour, subtract the minutes. Son las 12 menos 10. Muy bien. Okay, let's do 8:55. Do 8:55. When you got it, raise your hand. Christian, you were first.
Son las 9:05.
Muy bien. Son las 9:05. All right. Let's do 6:35. It's still daylight. 6:35 p.m. Okay. Let's see who's gonna raise your hand first. Spelled everything. Come on, Brendan, you can do it. No one's hand is up yet. Mijo?
I don't even know how to spell that.
I don't know how to spell
Yeah.
siete or whatever.
No, I don't know how to spell.
It's
25.
exactly the way it sounds. C-E-T.
Why you spell 25?
25. Grace, what you got?
Son las 7:25 de la noche.
C.
De la noche?
I thought
Well,
you said it in
I said it's daylight outside.
Or de la,
Because sometimes in Spanish, it's dark at 6 p.m. And so the Hispanics or the Spanish or Mexico or Spanish speaking countries may say de la noche. But if it's daylight, right,
de la tarde.
or they'll say de la tarde. Sometimes they still say de la noche, you know.
So what was 35?
Bro, what?
Okay. Son las 7:25 de la tarde. De la tarde.
De.
So for test purposes, we're gonna do de la noche starting at 8 p.m. Okay, for test purposes.
8 and up?
Okay,
Like
so if
8,
I
9,
say 8 p.m., automatically in la noche or de la noche. I'm gonna say it one more time. If I say it's 8 p.m., automatically we're gonna think de la noche or in la noche. Okay? We got it?
What's the difference between en
Yeah,
la
that's what I was
and
gonna
de
say.
la?
Yeah, good.
So either or is fine.
Yeah, either or is
It
fine.
says or. Good.
Okay, we have 7:40. Let's do 7:40 a.m.
So
All right, let's see who's first.
if it would have been PM, you would have used de la noche because you had to round up.
So I said we'll use, for test purposes, at starting from 8 o'clock on, we'll say de la noche.
No, you wouldn't because it's AM, not PM.
No, but I'm saying if it was PM because you have to round it up to 8, but then you still take away, so it's
So it's
almost.
still in la tarde.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
I got son las 8:20 en la mañana.
C. Right. One more time.
Son las 8:20 en la mañana. Mañana.
Right, it can be en la mañana or de la mañana. Have we done all of these already? Did we do 8:55?
Yes, sir.
Did we do, we did 6:35. So y'all got this down, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Not bad?
It's pretty easy.
Okay, you
Going
round up
fast
to the
is-
next full hour and subtract the minutes, okay, that remains until you get to that hour. Okay, we got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? So, are we ready? It's 12 minutes until 7 o'clock p.m. It's 12 minutes until 7 o'clock p.m. Okay? It'll be 7 p.m. in 12 minutes. Yes, sir.
6:48.
Bro, that's not.
En español.
I didn't do the Spanish.
Remember the como and the de donde? Yeah. Grace again. What you got?
Son las 8 menos 12 en las 8. Sorry. I keep thinking.
Son las 8.
Yes.
Okay, so it's 12 minutes till 8 till 7, right? Where's my clock? Okay, so here we are. It's almost 7. Let's make it 12 minutes till. It's maybe right about there. It's 12 minutes till 7. Okay? It's the next full hour is going to be what?
7 o'clock.
Okay, and what did you give me? You give me 8 o'clock. Right? What? Do you see? Do you still think you're right? Is my question. Okay. And what do you think? Can you fix it?
Yes.
What do you got?
Son las 7 menos 12 en las 8.
Okay. Son las 7 menos 12 de la tarde. Right?
Boom.
Okay. You got it?
See.
Yes? Yes? Okay. All right. Lily, it's 1:10.
Es la 1:10.
Es la 1:10. Okay. It's 1:10. It's 1:30 in the morning.
Es la 1:30 en la mañana.
Perfecto. Perfecto. Trey, it's 2:40. It's 2:40, right?
Son las 3 menos 20.
Did I say if it was?
Yes, right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's right.
Right?
You
You said
son las
2:40.
menos 20 en la mañana.
Did I say it in the morning? I couldn't remember
No,
if I
you
said it in the
didn't.
morning
You
or
didn't
not.
say anything.
I didn't say anything.
You just said it's
So it's 2:40 is what?
Son las 3 menos 20.
Very good. Muy bien. Son las, right? Okay. Jaden, it's 3:15.
Son las 4.
It's 3:15. We're on this side of the clock.
Son las 3
Y
15.
son las 3:15. Muy bien. Okay. All right. Adam, it's 2:22.
And we're on that side of the clock.
It's 2:22. Yes.
Son las 2:22.
Sí. Excelente.
Oh, so if there's no.
Oh,
And
20s,
from this
all
side,
20s?
It's 2:22. Right?
You don't subtract because you don't round up.
Because we're on
Because
this
it's,
side.
you said on the below 30 that you don't subtract.
Once we pass the 30 minutes,
Then you subtract.
then we're subtracting.
Oh.
So you would just say and.
E. Very good. Right? So this is what it would be. 2. Something like that. That. Yes? That looks like 2:22, more or less.
Just about.
Just about.
Yeah.
Okay. Elena, I want you to look at the clock on the wall and tell me what that is in Espanol, please. What are your first 2 words?
She's
How do you read that far?
What?
Son las
Very good. We got son las.
11. Can I say E? Okay, yeah. E. I'm gonna say that's 15.
That's 10.
It's probably around 12, I'd say.
It's probably around 10.
Okay.
Maybe it's 11.
12.
Okay, son las 11:12 de la noche, de la tarde o en la mañana.
En la mañana.
Muy bien. Excelente. Fantástico. We're getting this time down. Yes? Yes?
See.
Sí.
Okay.
I want another one.
Guys, when we want to say it's 12 o'clock midnight, do we say it's 12 o'clock midnight and when it's midnight? Like New Year's Eve. Do we say, hey, it's 12 o'clock midnight? Or what do we say?
It's midnight.
It's midnight. So 12 o'clock midnight, we would say medianoche. Hey, look and see if that's on the...
Yeah, it's on there.
Muy bien. Okay. But when we are gonna go for lunch, hey, let's meet for lunch at 12 o'clock noon. Right? Sometimes my generation will say, hey, let's meet at noon. Okay, let's meet at noon. And noon, Brendan, noon is, can you read that from there?
No, sir.
Okay, come this way. Become a live action figure. Noon.
Mediana.
Noon. Get closer. That's not mañana. Mañana is right here.
I said media.
Dio.
Medio.
And what's DIA?
Dia.
Dia. Mediodía. Mediodía. Muy bien. Hey, wave to the camera. Brendan. So what's noon?
Mediana.
Mediodía. Okay, hey.
I don't speak
That's
Spanish
okay.
very well.
This is where we learn. It's okay. I have always said this. If you don't mind being laughed at, you're going to do well. But if you hate being laughed at and you don't want to speak, you're not going to do well. You have to be willing to take somebody saying, hey, you sound funny. You sound weird. Right? And when you can take it, you're going to learn Spanish. Right? But if you're shy, you're quiet, and they're gonna make fun of me, you are not gonna learn. Right? Okay. Now, let's try not to laugh. Let's be supportive, but be of the character that I don't care what I sound like.
I
Right?
don't care what I sound like.
I'm going to learn a second language.
I'm
Spanish.
going to learn a second language. Spanish.
So we know on the dot, right?
Oh,
Mediodía.
En punto.
On the dot.
On the dot.
In punto.
Oh, I thought you said noon. That's on
No, in punto. That's on the dot. Okay, let's see what we got for over here. Adan, it's 12 o'clock on the dot. Hey, that section way over there. Way over there.
For
Now you
what?
may have to turn the camera.
For what, like says?
All the way at the corner. Just move the legs. Move the legs.
Move the leg.
Never mind.
I did it anyway.
Okay, it's 12 o'clock on the dot. Adan.
Son las 12 en punto.
Muy bien. Amy, it's 12 midnight.
Son las 12 medianoche.
Okay, so we can just leave out the 12, very good pronunciation, and just say medianoche.
Son las
And so for medianoche, right, being that we're not giving you a time, right, we say es medianoche. Es medianoche. We have 12 o'clock noon, Sadie.
Son las 12 mediodía.
Okay, and the same thing. We don't have to say 12, we can just say es mediodía. Okay, es mediodía. Very good pronunciation, both of you. Okay, it's 1 o'clock, Elena.
Es la una.
PM.
En la tarde.
Excelente, Avery. It's 1:30 p.m.
Es la una y media
Sí, es la 1:30 en la tarde. Brendan, I heard you asking a question. No?
I forgot.
Okay. All right. It's 3:15, Lily, p.m. Right? 3:15 a.m.
Yeah.
Son las 3:15 de la mañana.
Perfecto. Grace, it's 4:30 a.m.
Son las 4 y, how do you say it?
Media.
Media en la mañana.
Excelente. It's 6:30 a.m. Jordan.
Son las 10:30 de la mañana.
Muy bien. It's 8 o'clock at night, Rogan.
Son las 8 de la noche.
Very good. And remember, for quiz purposes or test purposes, if you see 8 p.m., you're automatically going to say de la noche, whether you see daylight or not. Let's just do it for our test purposes. Let it sink in. If it's 8 o'clock p.m., de la noche. Okay? It's 9:20 in the morning, Christian. It's
Oh, wait. Oh, son las. No. 9:20. Wait.
yes.
En la mañana.
Perfecto. Excelente. Muy bien. All right. Now this is in Spanish. Trey, tell me what it is in English. Son las 8:10. What time is that in English?
8:50.
That a boy, Trey.
No. Brendan.
8:10. What?
6:55.
7:50.
Okay, so we round it up.
Oh yeah.
Son las 8:00.
Wow, I was thinking Ocho was 9 for some reason.
Oh, okay. Then that would have made sense, right?
What are you laughing about?
Those viewers at home, please excuse the Castellon.
Oh, I forgot you were filming.
Okay, guys. All right.
This one, I got this one.
All right, Trey. I'm gonna see if you can redeem yourself. Son las 10:05.
9:55.
It's 9.
Boy.
Okay. We got it? Okay. Son las 2:30 in English. Son las 2. What is dos in English?
2.
Okay. Son las 2. What's the first word?
And
Remember?
after 2?
Son las 2:30.
Oh, media is midnight. Or not midnight, it's 12.
No. Close, Brendan.
And I'm wrong.
Jaden.
It's 2:30.
It's 2:30.
You told me
Y media, right? But if I say medianoche, that word noche, then that tells you it's the middle of the night, midnight. So, anytime, let's look at this, Brendan. Let's look at this.
You told me
Let's look at this, Brendan.
30.
It's 2:30. How do you say that in Spanish?
Son las 2. Why media?
Why?
Now, I told you not to say why, but to say,
I can say that.
we don't say why, what do we say?
E.
Very good. Son las 2:30.
Well, you told me to say 30 earlier.
Or 30, either one.
Oh.
It's 2:30. And 30 is the half hour. 30 is the half hour. So we can say y media or y 30. Okay, here we go, Brendan. En español.
Son las 4:30.
30. Very good. I think media might be easier But you're gonna have to spell this. You have to spell this on your quiz and on your test.
What's our quiz?
Let's
Next
make it
week?
Monday.
You just said,
Monday.
I thought you said Tuesday.
I thought you said.
What, Amy? Why
Okay,
you put
so let's go ahead, everybody looking here. Monday, you're gonna have a quiz on the time,
Oh my god.
okay? Monday.
Is it gonna be just like that? I'm guessing just write it out in
It's
Spanish.
gonna be all kinds of ways. It's gonna be like this, it's gonna be like that.
it's gonna be a test.
It's going to be like this, it's gonna be like this, where you have to write it like this. Hey,
I feel positive about this.
you feel good about it?
Yeah, you should give me
I don't-
All right.
You should use some.
I think that, I mean, the only other thing,
Corto.
okay, here's one for you. Ready? Who wants it?
I do.
I'll take it.
Oh,
Well, it depends on the question.
okay. Son las 10 menos cuarto.
Okay, so that is, it's 9,
Okay.
it's 9:45.
Muy bien.
Adam.
I told you I had it.
You got it. Son las 10 menos cuarto. That's 9:45.
Boy.
Very good. So you might get this on the test, the cuarto, which is 15 or a quarter, right? Yes? Okay. Christian, son las 12:15 de la mañana.
It's 2:15 in the morning.
Lily, son las 12:15 de la mañana.
It's 12:02.
Yes.
I said dose.
12. Okay? We got it? Yes? Okay, Rogan. Okay? Son las 12 menos cuarto de la noche.
What are you subtracting? Say it again.
Son las 12 menos cuarto.
Oh, it is 11:15 in the no 11:45 at night.
Sí. Okay. At night. I like that. At night. Do I have at night written?
You have added on that side, and I had it wrong because I didn't know.
Oh,
You didn't
at
tell us
night.
yesterday.
At night. We're gonna say de la noche.
I thought in la noche was at night.
Okay. You guys did really, really good.
I think we deserve.
I think that's good.
Okay. That's good.
Oh, can I say hi real quick?
Can we say bye to it? Can you put it my way?
You know how to hit the video real quick.
Zoom out soon?
0.5, get in the flute,
You look dumb.
You're supposed to pause it while I'm standing there, senor.